Monday sa tryout. 1:13 ako. Practice ako ng practice. May uniform na ako. Bakit?
Pag nanay ka, alam mo kung ano magpapasarap sa araw niyong masaklap.
Mag-Lucky Me ka muna. Ano sabi ng nanay?
Never say die.
Ano pa?
Tomorrow is another day. Adi! Say never die!
Well, we're chosen in the tryout. I'm the 13. I've been practicing every day. I already have my uniform. Mom, why?
As a mother, you should know what will make them cheerful in their miserable day.
If you're not in first, what did Mom always tell you?
Never say die.
And then,
Tomorrow is another day. Our dreams will never die!